This is the first video to the Welding CNC Plasma tutorial. To get started, open up SolidWorks in your ZenWorks window. This may take a little while the first time, and click Accept or green check to any windows that come up. Click on the New icon, click Part, and OK. Now that you have a new part, go to File on your flyout menu and Save As. Save this file into your H drive or network drive. This will make sure it's always backed up. If you save it onto your computer and your computer dies, you're out of luck. We're going to save it into a welding folder. And since I'm doing some training videos, here we go. I'm going to put my name, Welding, Tutor 1 for Tutorial 1. That way we know whose it is and what it is. And click Save. On your view orientation, go to Top. We always draw in a top view whenever we're going to be on our plasma, or for that matter, CNC router. Go to Sketch. We're going to sketch a rectangle. Select the top plane and click the origin to start your rectangle and place it anywhere. Click Check. We're going to select Smart Dimension. Now is when we actually place the dimensions on it and constrain the actual size of our square. Select the side line, place your dimension, and make this a 6-inch square. Press Check on your dimensions. Move over to your Zoom to Fit to bring everything into focus. We're now going to offset the line that you just drew. This is going to be a 1/2-inch offset. And when we select it, it gives you a preview. Well, we want this to be on the inside, so we're going to select Reverse. That looks pretty good. Go check. Now we're going to put a fillet on the top 2 corners. Fillet icon is right here. Select 1 corner and 2. The radius is going to be a 1/2-inch. Press Enter, and it should give you a preview. That looks good, so green check. Since we have fillets up here, well, we're going to do the complete opposite down here, and we're going to put in a cove. Select a circle and click and drag a circle of any size. The center point should be the bottom 2 corners. Select Trim Entities. Trim to closest should be selected, and cut away the circle to reveal that, the cove. We can Smart Dimension that arc. Now, the radius for this is 0.75. Checkmark. You could have dimensioned that circle before you cut it away, but we just did it now.